It has arrived. Hello, welcome back to the show. Puma just had a Cyber Monday sale last week, and as always, I'm just a sucker for sales, especially the ones that involve sneakers. Yeah, so sue me. I'm just that predictable. Duh, I love sneakers, right? So let's open the box and see what I bought. So I bought two. Woohoo! Damn. So I bought the Future Rider Play-Ons and the RS-2K Mr. Doodle. I was always fond of the Future Rider Play-Ons. It's always been sitting there at the corner of my eye sockets every time I look at it in the store. I've always wanted it, but felt it wasn't worth the price. It was 429. So quite mahal. So when it went down to 179, aku pun beli lah. It's so freaking cheap. I think it was like a 60% off. Then I saw this one, Mr. Doodle, RS-2K, which went down to 257 ringgit from 619 ringgit. This was something that I've always liked when I saw them in stores, when I go to Crossover and I go to So What. But I've never liked it like enough for it to buy, to pull the trigger and buy. But after the discount, I figured like, fuck it out, it's so cheap. So I just need to get my hands on this. So I think total I spent about 400 something, I can't remember. But it was less than 500 bucks. So it was a steal. It was such a steal. So that's why I bought two. So I'm going to unbox the Future Rider Play-On ones first. So I'm going to put this aside. Bam. It's a bit dusty. I think it's been sitting in the storeroom for quite some time now. Oh. Cantik so. I mean, I've always seen this in stores. As I said, it's always been in the corner of my eye, but never was brave enough to pull the trigger. Mahal ni, 429. But yeah, because of the sale, that's why I bought it. Thankfully, I went to the Puma site to see the. I don't know why I was there. I think I know why, because I wanted to look for the Nintendo ones. So I actually went on the site to look for it, and I stumbled upon the sale by accident. So that's serendipity, I guess. Pretty accident. So the Future Rider Play-On silhouette is actually based on an old Puma classic, the Fast Rider, but with a twist. As you can see, the sneaker features some vibrant colors, neon colors, which gives it a very 80s retro vibe. I really like the white midsole and this red thing. I think it's supposed to give you stability. And the outsoles are gum, which I oddly like. It kind of goes well with the sneaker. I like, but this one macam kena. Quite a clean pair, aside from the tongue, as you can see here. The inner sponge, which I think is left unfinished to kind of complete the retro vibe. Overall, I think it's a very clean sneaker. Again, I know it's loud, but you've seen my other collection of sneakers. You know that I really like loud sneakers. Like I said lah, beli apa you suka lah. Jangan beli ikut trend. Beli apa you suka. So it is a nice pair. Wait. Let me just see the other side. Oh, tuh. Cantik. How come this side ada? Oh, ada. Okay. So I bought this this is a size 7.5 UK. The Puma sites run UK size, so as I think I've mentioned in my previous videos, each sneakers for me at least runs differently in terms of size. Nike uses US, Adidas sometimes I think they use UK. So yalah, Adidas, Puma kan adik-beradik, so they both use UK. But I really wish they could standardize the sizing so it makes it easier for people to buy sneakers online. I would always, kalau boleh, I would always try to go with Euro because you can never go wrong with Euro. But yeah, I think this will fit me. I've tried it in the store. Yelah, tapi tak beli kan. Try in the store tapi tak beli. So I think this should fit me. As I said, this is always a sneaker that I've always wanted to buy, but mahal sangat, so I tak beli. So thankfully for the sale, I now own a pair. Cantik ni, cantik. Tak sedar. I never realized there was a little pink here between the midsole. Interesting. Cantik, aku suka. Okay, on to the next one, the RS-2K. Wow, pow, Mr. Doodle, loving the box. Cantik. Apa ni kotor ni? Aduh. Wow. Oh, that's clean. Oh, cantik. Okay, so this, you've probably seen several colorways of the RS-2K, but this one just got my attention. See, the design, as you can see here, is based on the doodles of the famous Mr. Doodle. So if you don't know who he is, you probably have seen his work online. I'll leave links here for you to check out his work. So he's an artist from England, and as you can tell, he does doodles. As I said, you can go check out his work. It's amazing. Like I said, the sneaker is inspired by his work, and what makes this pair unique, aside from the artwork you see here, is the pair has this tali thing. Okay, this tali all around this. The rest of the RS-2K tak ada the tali. I think the tali doesn't affect the lacing system, but I think this is meant to resemble his doodling style lah. And oh man, I look this arrow. That's kind of cool. Yeah, nice touch. And then here, and you can see all the doodles around his midsole and his name on the tag, on the heel tab. Sorry. See, it's nice. Cantik, nice clean pair. And oddly enough, the white, black, and the orange hits of the sneaker really is a really nice touch. I don't know why. First time I saw this at So What, I think. First time I saw it So What, it got my attention, but as I said, 600 ringgit price tag was way too much for me. Always felt that this was an interesting sneaker. Aku suka benda pelik-pelik lah. I don't know why. I like weird sneakers. Yeah, see? The heel tab. I can see that. Is Mr. Doodle. So the soles are also black, white, and orange, which is nice. The doodles are all around the midsole, as I mentioned, and then even the tongue. That's nice. See? Oh, ada Puma X Mr. Doodle. So this was also a UK 7.5. I hope I fit Unfortunately, I've not tried this yet. Kat kedai pun I tak pernah try. But I hope it fits because I have the Thunder Spectras, which is 7.5 yang tu muat, but it's a bit loose. So hopefully this one is not loose lah. I didn't even see the Sato Puma strip branding, which is kind of nice. Overall, this is quite a nice pair of sneakers. Cantik. I like the colorway. As I mentioned, tak nak beli sebab mahal, but since it's on sale, I pun beli. You know, kind of made sense for me to purchase this pair on sale. Overall, I'm quite happy with the sneakers that I purchased. I think they are still having a year-end sale right now. So if you're keen to buy any of the pairs that you see here today or any other Puma pairs, you can head on down to their website. I will always, as always lah, leave a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. So yes, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed the sneaker unboxing video. This time I ada tambah sikit lah sneaker review, you know, trying to learn how to do so lah. I'm actually taking inspiration from Clinton Jeff. I love his reviews, one of the better local sneaker reviewers out there. Please go check out his YouTube channel here, I think I'll put there. As always, please stay safe. Even though MCO dah longgar, doesn't mean you can forgo all the SOPs. So as always, do all those nice things. Wear a mask, wash your hands, social distance, and always remember, don't forget to your My Chapter app when you masuk mall or kedai or when you wanna go and buy sneakers. Okay. So until then, I shall see you in the next video.